Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a splash page for your done-for-you traffic funnel. Below this video, there's a link that will take you to the splash page index. You want to click on Splash 7 Funnels, and this will give you the template. So you want to go over here in the blank section, right-click, and go to View Page Source. You want to copy this whole thing. Now let's just look at it for a minute, because your capture page link goes on the next line between the quotes. You need to put your capture page link right here and then save it. Okay, we're going to walk you through it. I just wanted to show you that. So Control A is select all, Control C is copy, or you can right click and copy. Then you want to go to your AIOP back office. Now we're in the AIOP guide under tutorials, Splash Builder. There's 3 videos there you can watch. But what you want to do is go to your toolbox, open your Splash Builder. Here's your splash pages. Give it a name. We're going to call this Fun for Funnels Splash 1. That's all the room we have. I'll call it 1 in case you want to make variations. And click Create. Okay, now from the template manager, you want to choose the empty page and always go down to the bottom and update the template. And that'll put that in there. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom again and say go back to edit page. Now the first thing you want to do is change the background to black. You can choose it down here. It's 6 zeros. Give it a title. Then in the editor, click on the little HTML. See, when you hover over it, edit HTML source, click on that and paste in the code that you copied on your clipboard. Right click paste or Control V. Then you want to find your link and put your link right here between the quotes. And this is the link to your capture page. Now to find that, go to your toolbox, autoresponder, find the funnels campaign, click go. Always make sure it's showing as the active campaign up here. And you'll see your capture pages for this campaign. I like this one. It has the video, so we're going to copy that. Control C. Go back to our Splash Builder. Now if you lose the editor, it's over on another window because it opens up in a pop-up. Okay, so we want to paste it right there. That's what links them two together, okay? Then you update the HTML, and then you got to always update the settings. Okay, now let's view it. Voila, now let's test it. It's got to go to your capture page. Okay, check the link in the address bar and make sure it's your link, not mine. Okay? If you haven't already tested it out, fill it out and run through it and make sure everything is yours. And that's how it's done. You're ready to advertise. Now I recommend taking your splash page link and either going into your trackers and create a tracker for it here. You only have 10 or 20 if you're a pro, or creating a tracker over in Leads Leap, and I'll have that link down below as well. Okay, there you go. Talk to you soon.